Assalamu alaikum dear students. I am your chemistry teacher of class 8. Today I am explaining chapter number 4, periodicity of elements. Open page number 57. Periodicity. Periodicity means repetition or reoccurrence of similar properties of different elements after a regular interval. The topic is Newland's classification. In 1863, John Newland gave a law called Newland octave law, which states that if elements are arranged in order of increasing atomic masses, the eighth element starting from a given one has similar properties as first one. That is, its properties are a kind of repetition of the first, like the 8 notes in an octave of music. See table 4.2. In this table, if we arrange the elements in order of increasing atomic masses, sodium is the eighth element from lithium and has similar properties. Similarly, magnesium is the eighth element from beryllium, and the properties of beryllium and magnesium are same. Similarly, aluminum is the eighth element to boron. Silicon is the eighth element to carbon. Phosphorus is the eighth element to nitrogen. Sulfur is the eighth element to oxygen. And chlorine is the eighth element to fluorine. And they all are similar to the first one. The next topic is Mendeleev's classification. Mendeleev, a Russian chemist, in 1869 arranged the elements in order of increasing atomic masses, and he proposed a law called Mendeleev's periodic law. According to Mendeleev's periodic law, the physical and chemical properties of elements are periodic function of their atomic weights. Mendeleev arranged a table called Mendeleev's periodic table. He divided the table into 8 groups or vertical columns. He also divided the table into 12 horizontal rows, which he called periods. For example, in group 1, hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, copper, rubidium, silver, cesium, and aurum. These all elements are kept in group 1, and group 8 is from top to bottom, while horizontal rows are called periods. For example, in first period there is only one element, that is hydrogen. In second period, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen and fluorine are kept. The group number indicates the highest valences that can be attained by elements of that group. Vacant spaces were left for the element not discovered at that time. Note down today's homework. Question number 1, define periodicity. Write the heading periodicity. Periodicity of elements means reoccurrence of elements of similar properties after a regular interval in the periodic table. Question number 2, give the basic of Newland's classification. Write the heading Newland's classification. Newland in 1826 tried to relate properties of elements with their atomic masses. He arranged elements in order of increasing atomic masses and observed periodicity. He presented the law of octaves. Statement. If elements are arranged in order of increasing atomic masses, then every eighth element starting from anyone will have properties similar like the octaves of music. This is called law of octave. Make this table. Although the classification failed because the arrangement did not work after the elements, however, for the first time it brought into light the idea of periodicity of development of modern periodic table. Question number 3. What is the basis of Mendeleev's classification? Define Mendeleev's periodic law. Write the heading Mendeleev's classification. Mendeleev in 1869 also arranged elements in order of increasing atomic masses, emphasized similarity of properties and observed that elements of similar properties repeated after a regular interval. He therefore gave a law called Mendeleev's periodic law. Heading: Mendeleev's periodic law. Write the statement: physical and chemical properties of elements are periodic function of their atomic masses. This statement should be written in the inverted commas. This is the end of today's lecture. Submit your work on coming Saturday. Thank you.